Hey, friend, and welcome back to our family album project, where we talk about saving our stories one photo at a time. Today, we're talking about something that honestly holds a lot of us back before we even get to the fun part of making our photo albums, and that is getting organized. But here's the thing, you do not have to be perfectly organized before you start. You don't need to color code your life or have every photo labeled by date. It's not black and white. It's really about knowing what season of life you're in. For me, all of this started when I first started tackling a box of printed photos. Once I started pulling those out and sorting them by date, it helped me understand what I had and what I wanted to keep and what felt overwhelming. And that step alone, just starting to sort through the piles, gave me clarity. It helped me create a roadmap. So now I have 3 photo projects I work on, and I know exactly where I focus my time and what my priorities are. So my number one priority is our family yearbooks. It's the one thing that I commit to every year. It's the anchor. It's what I'm going to spend what little time and energy I have on. My second priority is going to be finishing up organizing those old printed photos. I'm already halfway there. I just have to keep going while I have momentum. And then the third is going to be me eventually tackling all of my digital chaos. And you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. That is going to be one big project, and I'm not rushing into it. And here's the good news. You don't have to do any of this alone. There are people out there who do this professionally. You can find digital declutterers, digital photo organizers, and they'll help you, sort through and back up your photos. You are not reinventing the wheel. You can get support and you can delegate. You're allowed to. So today, take a look at where you're at, not just with your photos, but with your time and your energy and your season. And then start asking yourself, are you in a place where you can start your yearly album? Or maybe it's a priority to go through all of your printed photos that are stuck in a box in the attic. Or maybe you're ready to finally clean up an old phone and back it up. There's no right answer. Just start where you're at. Your photos are patient. They will wait for you. I just want to say too, y'all, I think we all have, cell phones that who knows where the chargers are and who knows what the passcodes to get into them are. We have hundreds and thousands of photos just sitting on these old phones. And I really want to help you guys, get those photos out back into the light and printed. So thank you for hanging out with me today. If this episode helped give you a little clarity or peace of mind, I'd love it if you shared it with a friend. And remember, your life is beautiful enough to belong in a photo book. Go print your photos.